When you have a factory hardtop, you can't just get that open air feel whenever you want, but this Bestop Sunrider for factory hardtops in black twill will be a great solution, and a well-built one to easily do so in your 2021 or newer four-door Ford Bronco. Now this will be great for the Bronco owners with a hardtop who's looking for the best of both worlds, with a soft top in the front taking place of the big front panel that can be very difficult to take off and store, especially if you don't want it to get damaged and if you're out and about. Now it also keeps the most daunting part of the top on while being able to switch from open to sealed whenever you please for some more flexibility within your build. The hardtop has its benefits, but it can also just be a pain when you want to enjoy that freedom of no top on your Bronco, considering the back is awkward to take off, you need somewhere to store it so it doesn't get damaged, and you can't just do it on the fly, leaving you subjected to the weather. And if you do take those front panels off, again, those are going to be a pain to store in the back of the Bronco if you were to take them off on the fly, especially without getting them damaged, and it's going to be difficult to pop them on in a pinch as to where you can just close this shut. This is going to be the complete opposite of those Freedom style panels on the top of your Bronco, being very easy to open really whenever you want and close it whenever you want, and will be able to stay on the front of your Bronco 24/7, considering the seals just like a soft top. This has door surrounds that you will install on either side of your doors to seal to the side. It will connect to the back or middle panel of your hard top, so it'll seal back there, and you have a header here with spring assisted latches to make it easy to open up. One of the best parts about this system is that it is cable assisted, so when you pop it open, it'll do a lot of the work for you, and you can just secure it down and strap it down on either side. When it comes to the construction, the whole operation is going to have a couple of different materials. The frame system, or the bow system that allows this to fold back, is going to be made of a tough steel material with a nice powder coat, so it will hold up to the elements if it is subjected to that when the top is open. This will also have a steel bracket for the door surrounds, but a lot of this is going to be made of a tough plastic construction and a little bit of an aluminum construction on the header here for a durable and lightweight operation. Now the star of the show is the high quality black twill acrylic material. It's wrinkle and UV resistant, keeping this deep black appearance and that premium appearance for years to come. This is also going to come with everything that you need to install it, and will be pre-assembled for the most part, so install is going to be fairly easy. Everything on the Sunrider is together already. You really just have to worry about securing this and the door surrounds to the Bronco, and you're good to go. When taking a look at price, this is going to come in at roughly $1,200, and for the function and quality that this offers, I think it's well worth the price point. You're definitely getting what you pay for here, and when comparing this to other open air solutions, this is going to be unique in the fact that this will function like a top, as where some other choices usually consist of a mesh or bikini top that doesn't really seal like this one does. Now Bestop also does have another option, but made of a black diamond vinyl material, which is a little bit more affordable, but the material isn't as heavyweight as this choice if you want that added comfort and durability. However, if you are in search of a solution to get the best of both worlds when it comes to your top and want a premium choice to do it with, this is going to be a great pick. Install is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 30 minutes or so to get the job done. Again, it is going to be fairly easy. You just have the door surrounds and the top. There is some attachment with the cable assist. However, again, it's simple, and Bestop does have some detailed instructions out of the box, which will be very helpful. However, if you do have any questions, feel free to give our techs a call and we'll be able to help you out. That's going to wrap up my review of the Bestop Sunrider for factory hardtops in black twill, fitting all 2021 and newer 4-door Ford Broncos. And you can find this right here at extremeterrain.com.